Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this lesson, we will understand the a priori algorithm for association rule mining. Think of a grocery store that wants to know which items are bought together. For example, if a customer buys peanut butter, how likely are they to also buy jelly? Let's visualize a few baskets. To measure these relationships, we use three key metrics: support, confidence, and lift. Support tells us how popular an item set is. Confidence tells us how often item B appears when item A appears. Lift compares that relationship to how popular item B is overall. If lift is greater than 1, the items are positively related. If lift equals 1, they are independent. The magic of a priori is the a priori principle. If an item set is frequent, then all of its subsets must also be frequent. So if an item set is infrequent, any larger set containing it can be pruned away. Here is how the algorithm works. Step by step, we set a minimum support threshold, then find frequent one-item sets, then join and prune to build larger sets, and finally generate rules that meet a minimum confidence. Let's walk through a simple example with 4 transactions. We'll use milk, bread, diaper, and beer. Suppose our minimum support is 50%, which means an item must appear in at least 2 out of 4 transactions. Let's count each item. From these frequent single items, we form pairs. One frequent pair is diaper and beer. Now let's build a rule. Diaper implies beer. The confidence is the support of both over the support of diaper. In this dataset, every time diaper appears, beer also appears, so confidence is 100%. To summarize, a priori is a bottom-up approach that grows frequent item sets and prunes away unlikely combinations. That makes association rule mining much more efficient.